Hiya people, welcome to today's proper vise, complete total strip down to you. Can't get no more parts out of it. Brian's basement's going to be pleased to see this one. So it's a full strip down to nothing of a York 88 bullet vise and a colour change, which is definitely for the better. I ain't going to do too much talking in this, and I do believe there's not a single bloody swear word. Okay, there's no retaining pin on this, but it won't fall out. You have to pull out the last 2 inches. This one is crazy greasy, so I'm wiping off all the excess grease before I move on to the next stage. All this type of vices that I've done, I haven't had a single problem undoing the jaws. The screws come undone nice and easy. Remember, try and get as much grease off as possible because it will contaminate everything. The wire wheel, any cleaning fluid you use, just get rid of as much as possible. And the pins also come out very easy. Nice feature that, having a pin through the middle of the jaw. Extra security, extra strength. Now, the bit I'm attacking now is a tiny pin that holds the screw thread in. Now that also taps out nice and easy. And just finish it off by pulling it all the rest of the way through with some mole grips. Now I've refitted the thread to the nut. You'll see why in a minute. I'm going to tap out the pin that holds the nut in place. Again, this comes out nice and easy. Now, if you just give the handle a tap, you will knock off that cover at the back and the nut. And that's it, stripped down as far as you can go. Because of the amount of gunk. We're going to use some super heavy duty degreaser on there, 5 litres, £10 in Screwfix, and get rid of every single bit of grease and grime. Don't forget to do all them little bits as well. So the fan you can hear in the background is that super duper 8-inch hydroponic cannabis grow room fan that I got off eBay to suck out all the rust, dust and paint. And it works wonders. I'm just leaving it on for a few minutes just to clear the air in case there's anything else that I don't want to breathe in. Which gives me time to tape up everything on this that I don't want to get paint on. Now remember, you want to mask everything accurately. The more accurately you mask it, the less work you got to do afterwards. Okay, here they all are hanging up. They're going to get a coat of zinc primer, undercoat, and then a couple of top coats. That was quick, wasn't it? So I've currently got a 2 kilowatt heater blowing on them. I'm going to close the door 2 of the spray booth here. Not all the way, just enough so that the heat from the heater can still blow in. They will get to about 70 centigrade, which is 160, 170 Fahrenheit. So, after 2 hours of baking at that heat, I'm now able to take off the masking tape and the paint is reasonably dry. Now, the preparation that went into this, look how neat that is. I haven't got to scrape any paint, haven't got to touch anything up. Well worth the effort with the masking tape. Okay, well, reassembly is the reverse of disassembly. I did lose the footage of putting the nut back in, but you just put the long bar back in, line the holes up, and tap the little rod through. If it's a little bit awkward to tap, turn the nut 180 degrees. Highly important bit now, get some sandpaper and just clean inside here to take off any paint overspray. Otherwise you'll end up with it down that slide bar on the other piece when you put it together. Use a soft-faced hammer for this bit. Don't do as I do, do as I say. Soft-faced hammer. I'm an idiot. Now the lettering. I thought about gold, bright yellow, orange. And then I thought, hang on, what about a nice silver? What do you think? What colour would you have used? Right, so on to most people's favourite bits. What it looked like before and what it looks like now. Now I've got a restore of another one this size, just the 80 coming up, and I do that in a different colour to this. So watch that video as well when I release it and let me know which one you prefer. Personally, this one is my favourite. So much so, I've got this on eBay priced dearer than what you can buy a new one for, because I don't really want to sell it. Right, I'm going to say subscribe, like, click the button, do whatever. Bye for now.